Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We're introducing these two. We have male and female holly here. This is a lovely holly called Blue Maid. And Blue Maid is a really reliable holly, really dark foliage, not uncomfortable to touch. And it's a reliable holly to have lots of berries every year. You can grow it in a pot or container or out in open ground. It will easily grow 2 meters high and about a meter across, or you can keep it a meter and a little bit high like it is now, and about, we say, 60 centimeters across. Now this one, Blue Maid, is female, laden with berries, and you have to have in the vicinity, we usually say within winking distance of each other, blueprints to make sure we get lots of berries on Blue Maid every year. Now they're both planted the same way. If you plant them out in open ground, decent sized planting hole, super thrive planting fertilizer at the bottom, but it's well compost and soil on top, and the same banking around, and they do quite well in full sun or half shade. Can be planted from now, totally winter hardy, and every year Blue Maid will be laden with berries. It's a really reliable holly to have berries. Goodbye for now, enjoy your garden.